turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a 10mm spanner, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Once finished, repeat the operation on the positive terminal. With a socket wrench, a long extender and a 30mm socket, remove the nut. And take off the fastening plate of the battery. Remove the front part of the battery compartment, sliding it upwards. This will facilitate the removal of the battery. Slightly separate the back part of the battery compartment. And take out the battery. Put the new battery back in place. Correctly position the back of the battery compartment. Then put the front part back, sliding it downwards. Ensure that you correctly pass the cable into its slot. Put the positive terminal back on. Fix it in place with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Finally, put the negative terminal back in. Putting the battery in place can be a little tricky, so you need to stay focused. Rest assured, we have just the tip to make it that little bit easier. Take a piece of paper towel and fold it in fours. Lay it flat on the socket, then insert the head of the nut, forcing it into the socket. Screw the first threads with the extender. Then finish fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Operation completed.